What's up, you guys? I know I ain't been on here in a while, you know. But I'm finna start back dropping more videos for y'all and stuff. But right now I'm finna get my tires and my brakes and my rotors done. I'm gonna show y'all what the yeah, gotta get the brakes and rotors put on. Gotta get some tires too. They ain't had no tires over here, so gotta get some put on Thursday. Yeah. Can't wait till the motherfucker get done. Alright, you guys, got my truck up at the shop. From getting this brakes done, I gotta go back and wait for my tires to get here. Yeah, y'all get a little taste of it. Y'all ain't never seen me driving. For y'all, let y'all look at this and record some more stuff with y'all. Got somebody I'm gonna record with pretty soon, so hope y'all like this. I'm out.